Welcome to our channel where we explore 10 simple ways to save money fast in 2024. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or a dream vacation, these tips are for you. Let's dive in. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking to savings account. Even small amounts add up over time effortlessly. Review your subscriptions and cancel unused ones. By trimming unnecessary expenses, you'll see your savings grow steadily. Utilize cashback apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta to earn money back on your regular purchases. It's like being rewarded for shopping. Cooking at home can significantly reduce your expenses. Plan meals, cook in batches, and savor homemade dishes at a fraction of the cost. Opt for generic brands to save money without compromising quality. Compare prices and choose the more affordable option. Turn unused items into cash by selling them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Declutter and earn simultaneously. Take control of your finances by setting a budget. Monitor your income and expenses using apps like Mint or YNAB for effective budgeting. Always hunt for sales and utilize coupons to save on purchases. Websites like Retail Me Not and apps like Honey can help you find great deals. Avoid impulse buys by pausing before making a purchase. Waiting 24 hours can help you make more mindful buying decisions. Embrace DIY projects to save money on various tasks. Not only will you cut costs, but you'll also acquire valuable new skills in the process. Implement these 10 simple ways to save money fast in 2024, starting today. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-saving tips. Share your favorite saving hacks in the comments. Let's support each other in our saving journey.